Hey, what's up, family? Today we back in the studio with another video, and this morning was box logo week, and honestly I don't know what happened. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. We're gonna get into it in a little bit, but if y'all do end up enjoying this video, leave a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel. You might as well, because we got a giveaway going on for this Weedy Supreme tee. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, follow Nori.archives, and comment done on that post right there. As soon as at least 70 more people subscribe, we'll move on from this giveaway on to the next one. So make sure y'all go ahead and show some love. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into this live cop, or is it even, what is it, low key? Let's just go ahead and react to what we got. You feel me? So boom, bro, it's 11. I was waiting for a little minute and the shit loaded. I go to the shit and I'm trying to flip through these colors. I'm like, all right, bro, let me not take too long. I go to the gray with the red and I'm like, bro, let me add this bitch to cart. Like, everything is sold out. Like, it don't matter what color I'm adding, everything is fucking sold out. It don't make no sense how this shit load in sold out. Help me understand, because how the f do that make sense at all? They're fucking sold out, but they're loaded in as the sizes. So I'm like, yo, fuck it. I went to the app and I'm trying to see if anything else. Low key, this y'all seeing right there is like 2 to 3 minutes worth of me just flicking through these bitches trying to get a color. Like, I'm like, yo, fuck it. Let me go to the beanie, see what's up with it. No, I go to the beanie again, and at one of these moments, y'all see this circle, which apparently a lot of people were getting over at. I low-key managed to get it in my cart and I'm processing. So at this point I'm like, all right, bro, I'm about to at least hit on the beanie. Like, at least let me hit on the beanie, bro. Nope, none of that. None of that. I got none of that, bro. Shit sold out, and at that point it's just, it's farewell. It's over, bro. Like, it's over. Let me know if y'all cooked up. Low-key, there was some bullshit going on this morning. I really hope we get box logo tees, because this was some bullshit, bro. Like, I don't know what happened. I ain't even get to get this shit in my cart. At least normally I get this shit in my cart. None of that. It's over, bro. Let me know what was your situation this morning. Some people cooked, some people didn't. Honestly, it was mixed reviews in my opinion from what I heard, but let me know if you cooked up. Leave a like on this video if you, I guess, enjoyed my, you feel me, struggles this morning. Shit was steep, bro. I'm at work taking an L. Like, terrible. Shit was just terrible, bro. My girl took an L. Shit was just sad. Like, sad story, low key. But I'm not even gonna lie, I wasn't even gonna make this video, but we here today because there is a giveaway and it's gonna be ending soon. I got some shit in my eye right now, low key. Just subscribe, follow Nori.archives, comment done on that Yu-Gi-Oh picture, and I'm gonna pick a winner soon. Trust me, bro. 50 to 60 more people join the giveaway. I'm gonna run it up. It's low-key pretty good odds, so make sure you go ahead and enter up. And with all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and we out. This was a short ass video, but I'll be back with another one soon. Just stay tuned, bro. I got some heat coming soon.